There is a boundary on our planet that physics dictates should be an absolute dead end, the surface layer between water and air. If you look through this boundary from below, reality breaks. Because of a phenomenon known as optical refraction, nothing above the water is actually where it appears to be. For a predator beneath the waves, an insect sitting on a leaf just inches away might as well be in another dimension. To strike it requires navigating a chaotic warp of light and physics. For hundreds of millions of years, this optical illusion kept land creatures safe from the terrors of the deep, until evolution engineered a glitch in the system. This is the story of a creature that didn't just bypass the laws of optics. It weaponized them. For 300 million years, a silent barrier has divided our planet, the boundary between water and air. To look across this threshold from below is to gaze through a shifting, chaotic lens, a world of extreme optical illusion. This is governed by a fundamental law of physics, Snell's law. When light transitions between air and water, its speed changes, it bends. For an aquatic predator, this creates a profound crisis. An insect resting on a leaf above isn't actually where it appears to be. To hunt across this divide seems mathematically impossible from a distance. It requires a biological computer capable of calculating advanced trigonometry in milliseconds. But nature has engineered a rule breaker. Enter the Archerfish, a creature that refuses to be limited by the laws of optics. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary inhabitant of the mangrove swamps. But underneath its scales lies an advanced ballistic weapon system. To turn water into a projectile, the Archerfish must alter its own anatomy. It presses its specialized tongue firmly against a deep, rigid groove in the roof of its mouth. This precise alignment forms a perfect, straight tube. A living gun barrel, fractions of a millimeter wide, the power source is equally mechanical. By forcefully clamping its heavy gill cover shut, it acts like a hydraulic piston, compressing the water inside. But a weapon is useless without a guidance system. The Archerfish possesses unique forward-facing binocular vision. Its brain instantly analyzes the depth, the distance, and the exact angle of refraction. It corrects the optical illusion before it ever pulls the trigger. When the Archerfish fires, the water jet rushes into the air at incredible speed. But here, a secondary physical crisis emerges. Fluid dynamics dictate that a thin stream of water traveling through air faces immense resistance. It should break apart into a harmless mist. To prevent this, the fish performs a staggering feat of hydrodynamics. It progressively opens its mouth wider during the duration of the shot. This causes the water released at the end of the jet to travel significantly faster than the water at the beginning. The rear of the stream literally crashes into the front in midair. The stream collapses into a single, devastating kinetic slug right at the millisecond of impact. It transforms a simple splash of water into a force up to 10 times the insect's body weight, pure ballistic engineering. The strike is flawless, the prey is dislodged. But in the competitive wild, striking the target is only half the battle. If the insect falls randomly, scavengers will steal it. The Archerfish cannot wait to see where it lands. It must predict the future. Within 100 milliseconds of firing, long before the water jet even reaches the leaf, the fish's brain has already calculated the prey's exact falling trajectory. It starts swimming toward the precise impact point ahead of time. A masterclass in predictive kinematics. Remarkably, this is not just raw instinct. Juvenile Archerfish learn this complex physics equation by observing the veterans of the school. It is passed down knowledge. We routinely look to deep space or advanced human laboratories to find engineering marvels that challenge our understanding of physics. Yet, in the muddy, brackish waters of an ordinary swamp, a small creature routinely executes ballistic calculations that rival our most advanced technology. It is easy to view the natural world as a collection of simple instincts, animals moving through life on basic, automated programming. But when we look closer, the line between biology and advanced engineering begins to blur. We spend billions of dollars building tracking systems, ballistic algorithms, and optical sensors to conquer the physical limitations of our world. Yet, a target tracking computer that rivals our best technology is swimming in the mud of a tropical swamp. The Archerfish never went to a laboratory. It didn't have to. It is a living testament to the sheer, terrifying brilliance of evolutionary design. A creature that looked at an impossible physical barrier and simply rewrote the rules. But the Archerfish is just one anomaly in an ecosystem full of biological rule breakers. Nature's engineering blueprint goes far deeper than ballistics. If you want to uncover the hidden physics behind the world's most extreme apex traits, tap the button to join the lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.